Hey, what's going on everybody? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another cryptocurrency video. Today we're going to be talking about Arbitrum, which is one of the most interesting coins in the cryptocurrency space right now in my opinion. It's currently trading at right around $1.27. It's got a market cap of a little bit over $1.5 billion and it's currently ranking at the 39th spot, which means it's a medium-sized market cap coin. Now what's interesting is the opportunity for it to grow substantially in market cap, and the reason for that which will obviously correlate to an increase in price, is because this is actually one of the biggest networks in cryptocurrency right now, which might surprise some people. If we take a look at the total value locked here, you can see $2.2 billion. What's interesting with this, okay, is this already is above its market cap, so that is already showing you just how undervalued Arbitrum is. Now what makes that even more interesting is if you compare a very similar coin, for example Polygon, right, which has $1 billion in TVL. Guess what? Look at how high Polygon ranks. It's the top 10 crypto with a market cap of over $10 billion. So now you see how easily Arbitrum can and really should 10x from its current price point. Make sure to smash that like button if you're enjoying this, and subscribe if you haven't already. Now, for those who don't know, Arbitrum got airdropped recently, which means that it distributed a vast majority of its coins to its network participants and users who are using it, and that I think is a good thing. I think it was a pretty successful airdrop. Now sometimes you get sell-offs after airdrops, etc., but it wasn't really as bad as some of the other airdrops we saw in recent months, so it held up mostly well. And you can see that they already have a large following on social media. There's a lot of people who use this network. Like I said, I haven't used it much personally, but I've had friends who used it, and a lot of people told me that it was one of the best networks they ever used. That's what it seems like to me. I think it's probably one of the best Ethereum scaling networks, right, which is what it's meant to be. And I think it competes very well, if not better, than Polygon in many ways, right? And Polygon is one of my favorite alternative cryptocurrencies. So that is a lot of positives for Arbitrum there. Now, another thing that I wanted to mention was, we're seeing different articles coming out. For example, the fact that some of them are selling a lot of, some whales are selling a lot of Arbitrum for ETH. It is what it is, right? That's going to happen regardless, but I'm not sure if that's truly a smart idea, right? ETH hasn't been the strongest right now, and I think Arbitrum has a very easy chance to 10x, right? And I'm very bullish on Ethereum, but Ethereum is going to take a bit longer to 10x than something like Arbitrum at only a $1.6 billion market cap, right? And 10x is just the beginning. There's opportunity for 20, 30, even 40, 50x here in the next coming years, in the next decade. So at $1.27, I'm really considering this to be almost the rock bottom price. Now we're going to talk about how it could go a little bit lower than that. You can see that it seems like it started trading right around $5, but that was only $55 in volume. As soon as the volume started kicking in, it was around $1.20, which is basically where it's at now, right? So it's been pretty steady throughout this whole airdrop. And another thing that I wanted to say is a lot of projects have been appreciating the airdrop, right? It's bringing money into the Arbitrum system, it's bringing attention, so that is good as well. And that basically is what I wanted to talk to you guys about as far as the fundamentals are concerned. Just gonna also cover the website. Like we said, it is a secure scaling solution for Ethereum, providing faster speeds, lower cost, and it seems to truly be doing that compared to other alternatives, or as far as Arbitrum is concerned, right? It does actually have those high speeds and low costs. Now here they listed their TVL at 6 billion, which I'm not sure how they got that calculation, right? It seems like on DeFi Llama we can clearly see that it's 2.2 billion, but regardless, right, you see Ethereum, for example, 29 billion, Arbitrum 2 billion. Okay, it's a tenth of Ethereum. Now what's funny is if you go and look at Ethereum, right, market cap 219 billion, mind you, Arbitrum has 10% basically, right, of the TVL of Ethereum. Well, guess what? That means Arbitrum should be trading right now at around $20 billion. Okay, so you get where I'm going with the math here. Now if we go ahead and take a look at the chart, guys, you can see that we had peaked out up here at right around $1.60. Keep in mind, there's not much data because this just started trading about a week and a half ago. maybe even less. And as you can see here, we already put in some pretty strong support levels, okay? Basically, I'd say we have two main support levels right now, one at $1.20, and then this lower one at around $1.11, $1.10. Now, I do think that there is a possibility here that we could head a little bit lower one last time, just to put in that bottom after the airdrop, and then I think we're really going to go back above $1 and potentially, you know, never revisit below $1 again. So what I'm kind of thinking here is, you know, we could see a pullback where Arbitrum falls down to, let's say, at $1 or right around $1. And of course, if we're at $1, there is a possibility that we get one last panic sell-off that would push us maybe down to 80 cents or so. And after that, guys, I think, you know, that would be basically the peak drop. And that's if we had that low, which is not guaranteed at all. $1 is more likely. And after that, guys, I think we can really head back much higher very quickly and break that previous resistance there at $1.60, because like I said here, guys, $1.60 is a joke. $2, $3, that's all a joke, right? We're talking about a 10, 20x potential here for Arbitrum. Very undervalued right now, very overlooked. And simply by the fact that it's one of the best L2 solutions to Ethereum, it deserves a much higher market cap, also due to its TVL and the great project it has on it. Like I said, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. Go follow me on Twitter. That's where I post all my crypto updates. And of course, check out my technical analysis master course. I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe.